Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Anonymous. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Anonymous. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Anonymous. Great things never came from comfort zones. Anonymous. Dream it, wish it, do it. Anonymous.